Why am I itching when it's time to record? Like everywhere's itchy. Anyways, this gives me so much joy. I don't even know why, but okay, let's do this. So hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite girl, BERIZZYs, and if this is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. Please do the needful and stay subscribed, because on here I throw out amazing content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle, and I'm your plug, okay? I'm your plus size plug for, you know, self-love, self-motivation and everything in between, okay? So now let's get right into the video for today. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing our series on the Valentine's Day. It's almost February, or if you're watching this in February, yeah, I'm going to be doing a series of love, you know, so love is going to inspire all my makeup look. And one thing about me is I love pink, you can tell. So this month I'm going to be playing with a lot of pink. I'll throw in some more colors, but everything is going to resonate amongst love. So today we're going to be doing the simple bit that you just saw. Yes, we're going to be creating that simple, easy to do bit, because most of my subscribers here, I know you guys are beginners, so we're going to grow together, okay? So my face is clean. I just washed my face. I have nothing on there. So firstly, I'm gonna go in with this ordinary hyaluronic acid, and this is something I apply to my face daily, whether or not I'm doing makeup or not. So I really love this product. It keeps my skin very hydrated. After moisturizing my face with the hyaluronic acid, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and this one has niacinamide acid also in it. This is gonna help plump the face, you know, on here like so. And then I'm going to use my brush to blend it up. Guys, on here I'm going to be emphasizing a lot of times about creating a beautiful barrier, a beautiful base for your makeup, because if you do not apply enough primer or enough moisturizer to your face, it's gonna make your makeup very oily or sometimes very cakey, and you do not want that. Next, I'm gonna go into my lip, and I'm using this lip balm I got from Ulta Beauty. I honestly cannot remember the name, but it's at Ulta. They come in different flavors, so I'm just applying it to my lip to moisturize my lip and keep it from being chapped. Okay, now let's get into the brows. I'm not worried too much about, you know, having the perfect brow with the pencil. I love pencils because this is what I grew up using, you know, so it's just a familiar thing. I've tried powder and all the other ones in the past, but I kind of fall back on pencils, and I usually use a dark brown. Seldomly do I use black or any other color. I'm gonna clean my brows, and I'm going to be using this Morphe Filter Effects Concealer Soft. This is in the shade Reach 30. So now I'm done with my brows. I know they look, I don't even know. Some days I don't know what's up with my brows, to be honest. I really do not know. But let's go into the eyes and do the eyes. Today it's very simple. I'm using Juvia's Place again in the shade number 11. Just gonna apply it all over my eyelid. And this is brighter than the ones I used up top. Then let's blend. We're going to be using the Candy Shop palette, and this is from Juvia's Place. This is a beautiful palette right here. And today we're gonna be doing pink. I told you I love pink. I'm going to be using the dark brown shade to just, you know, blend this side in a little bit. Then using a flat brush, I'm going to take the pink and just apply it all over like so. This is so pigmented. I don't need a base coat for that. I think my concealer works well for this. Now I'm going to line in my eyes, and I'm using this beautiful eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics. I'm using my Neutrogena wipe to just wipe off these excesses. Next up, we're gonna go in for foundation, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. We'll come back to my eyes later, but let's blend this baby in. I don't know, for some reason this feels a little, I don't know, it's giving a little too light. So I'm gonna go with my Born This Way from Too Faced, and I'm just going to apply a little bit to the outer part of my face that would normally be darker. So this is another technique you can learn. Like, if your foundation is too light or too dark, you can take another foundation that matches you better, or maybe a shade lighter or darker, preferably what you're looking for, and just add it, and then, you know, blend it all in to get that seamless finish and match your skin tone. Next, I'm going in again with my number 8 concealer, and guys, I don't even know what happened. I just don't know, I start sneezing. It's like I'm getting a cold, so excuse me if my voice sounds a little rise. Using my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend this all in. You can also wait for it to dry down a little bit so it becomes a little tacky for you to be able to blend it well so it doesn't move as much. Then I'm going in with the lighter shade number 11. I'm going to apply this to the inner part of my eyes, like so, and on the bridge of my nose. Maybe you want to wait for it to dry down a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. Only on this side. You don't want to bring it out all the way. Try to keep it on the inside. You know the deal. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to contour my face to add some dark depth to my face, and also, you know, make it slimmer. Usually you can start from up here, but I'm going to take it a little bit higher for a more slimmer effect. So let's do a contour for my nose. Always start in the inside, like here. Now I'm using an angle brush to blend this all in. Then I'm using a smaller angle brush on my nose. And a more thicker brush to just blend the inside almost in with my brows. Do not use a very dark contour on your nose because it's going to be very hard for you to blend, and you don't want to be seeing all these lines of demarcation. So try to use a shade closer to your skin tone, and also, you know, you can use the different brushes to sculpt and blend. I'm going to use this loose powder to just set everything in. I'm using my Morphe palette to contour. I'm using the second darker shade to contour the areas that I previously applied cream contour to. Once there's a cream contour, there has to be a powder contour, you know, to reduce the shine and moisture. So that's why I do this. I'm not baking my face, so I'm going to go ahead and dust it off, and I'm using my Juvia's Place bronze palette. It has two shades, a lighter and a darker shade. So this shade is what I'm going to use to dust off all the powders on the areas that I highlighted, and also this one on the areas that I contoured. Now I'm going to go in and set my whole face with the exception of my eyes. Whilst my face is drying, let's go in again to my eyes and finish my eyes. I'm going to be using this LA Colors eyeliner. This is not like the eye ink. This one has more like a pencil feel to it, and I'm going to use it for the bottom. Next, I'm applying mascara, and what else to use that better than Sex by Too Faced mascara. This is like my holy grail. It's almost dry. I need to go makeup shopping for real. You guys need to watch my videos, click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and like this video and share so that I can be paid, so I can go makeup shopping, because your girl ain't got money for these makeups because they are very expensive. So support me now by clicking on that subscribe button and share my videos so I could get more subscribers and make money from YouTube and all other social media platforms, and your girl can go makeup shopping. Thank you. I'm just gonna comb this one like so and then bring it down because I am going to be applying eyelashes later. Because I'm extra and it's me, I'm going to apply this again and a little lighter pink to the bottom. Let's go in with blush, and for blush I'm using this liquid blush from Juvia's Place. So I'm just going to apply a little bit. I was never a team liquid blush, but baby, I saw this and I got hooked. Then I'm going to give you guys a broad smile and blend this. I'm the queen of blush, so it's never too much blush, okay? So just deal with it and stop complaining. I have a simple rule. Once it's creamy, it has to be dry. So I'm going in with my Juvia's Place again. This is my old Sahara blush palette, volume 2. And I'm going to take some dry blush from here and apply it again. Do you see the difference why you need to make sure it's dry? Do you see the difference from here to here? This is why you always have to apply something dry on top of something, you know, liquid. I still feel like my eyes are missing a little bit of something. To be honest, I really do not want to do too much, but let's see. I'm going to apply lashes now. So why is my eyelashes are dry? Let's go with this Juvia's Place lipstick. And this is in the shade Drama Queen. That's what I have. I always love my lip balm because it makes it easy for me to glide my lipstick on without my lip being all chapped and dry. Next, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the shade Party Pink. And I'm just going to apply it in the center. It's giving a lot. That is a lot of pink. So let's tone it down a little bit. Another Juvia's Place lipstick to the rescue. I'm going to be using the shade Mute, and I'm going to use it up on top of my lip, you know, to just turn it down a little bit. Like so. And then let's blend it in. Oh, look at that color. It is giving. It is giving what it's supposed to give. Drama Queen. Now let's go ahead and apply these lashes. I already applied the glue and they've been sitting quite a bit. Hopefully it cooperates with me today. And let's sit it out like so. Bring the hair down and just sit it right above it. Voila. That did not go that bad. As usual, one of them will behave, the other one will act like they are adopted. It's the same eyes. Now let's apply the highlighter, and this one is also from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Just apply it to the cheek, like so. And I'm using the shade Tourmaline. I hope I said it right. You don't want to put it down here, you want to put it up here. So it's giving. That's it. I will be back. And voila! Look who's back. I know. Tell me, clap for me. Clap for me, I look good. But yes, guys, we've come to the end of this video, and this is the final look. Oh my goodness, like, it's giving Valentine's, it's giving pink, it's giving queen, it's giving just spend money on me. It's giving pounds and dollars, it's giving take me to brunch, it's giving you are the queen of all queens. I know I'm dramatic, but hey guys, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. I really appreciate, and I hope that by now you know how much I vibe, like how much of a vibe I am. So please click on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, okay? And let me know also what you would like to see in the channel. I talk about lifestyle and so many other things, so yes, but I am serving you guys lusciously with my pink look today. And until next time, I remain your favorite girl, Miss Berizzy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.